Hey YouTube, it's Alexander Higgins. As you guys know, I lost my house from this flood, and Governor Christie's coming here today for FEMA. This is a dog and pony show, man. I mean, these people haven't been here. You see all these people standing around, all these FEMA people, they're not doing a damn thing. These people just keep telling us to wait. You gotta wait. 10 to 14 days. We've been now 5 days waiting for a call back from them. The bureaucracy, they're not doing anything. I mean, they've literally got all these FEMA people standing around doing absolutely jack shit. This is a dog and pony show for the damn media, for the press. See, the governor's coming here. They want to look like they're doing something. Nothing. Look, FEMA workers on their cell phones. And we're all sitting out here 5 days now. I got a wife, 2 kids, a dog. My house is destroyed. It's in shambles. Flood damage. What the hell is this? They're coming here and they're going to be on the news saying, oh, we're out in Bricktown and FEMA's helping people. They're not helping. We're waiting. We've been waiting now 5 days for help from FEMA. This is ridiculous. Standing here to answer questions, and the only answer that they have for people. Christie's about to go on the air within the next few minutes. You gotta wait. You gotta wait. All these people here need help. 33,000 applications and are not processing anybody's. This is bullshit. This is Drum Point School. There's Emma Havens. They're not doing a damn thing for anybody. Keep seeing Christie and Obama on TV saying FEMA's helping people. Look, see it? See it? Damn dog and pony show. Bunch of people standing around, FEMA jackets. They're not doing anything. You're with FEMA? No, you're with the press. Is there any way to, like, I keep asking people. I lost my house, and that's my wife there. I got 2 kids and a dog, and lost everything. And everybody just keeps telling me I gotta wait and I gotta wait. I've been waiting 5 days now. Is there any way to, like, get expedited?
Did you register with
Yeah.
Okay. Well, we can help you over here.
Yeah, we went over there, and like, they're just telling us to wait. We've been waiting 5 days now with nothing.
Okay. Well, have you accessed the helpline yet? You can call the helpline, and a representative will be able to tell you.
Yeah, we call the number. We get an automated thing, and they're just like, they don't tell us anything.
Okay. Well, you can actually speak to.
They just say you got to wait for the application to get reviewed. I mean.
And that's what the live person told you?
Yeah. We called in twice, and we just spoke to them over there. And it's 5 days now. We're sitting no power, no electricity. Everything's flooded. It's a disaster.
Go back over here together and talk with someone.
I'll show you who we just spoke with. I mean, we need to, like, expedited help or something. She just took her application.
Sorry, what was that?
She just redid her thing, and
for the
same
SBA
thing.
loan application?
Okay.
He did the application online.
Again,
Okay.
and we've been waiting 5 days for somebody to call.
The 8821, he had to He's done, he's good.
Okay, so you're good, she said.
We lost our house, and we have for 5 days. No callback. Everybody, our entire neighborhood.
For status, did you call them? Did you
Yes,
call them?
and they're saying that they're waiting to review the application. This is 5 days now.
That's fine, and that would be a normal processing procedure. It's probably in the hands of a loan officer at this point. And what'll happen next?
Well, what I was saying is because they're saying 10 to 14 days is normal return.
Well,
within a day, they have it. What we're doing is getting them marketed so that they can expedite it.
So they've had it for 4 days now, and nobody's called us back.
Because that particular form, that 8821, they probably, that's what they were waiting on.
They couldn't call us and tell us they needed that? I mean, what if I didn't come here right now? Because I wasn't going to come here.
When you had done the on the loan application, after you finish, see, normally we have the computers here that we could do that.
Mhm.
Okay. Normally, when you do the loan application, at the end of the application, there's like this little thing that says, download this form.
Mm-hmm.
If you don't download the form and sign it and fax it, it sits there. So when you came over here, we're going to overnight this form and we're going to fax it.
Well, I mean, my
So
wife
it'll be
called
there
in for a
today.
status update, and they didn't tell us any of this. I mean, this just upsets me that all these people are standing around here and everybody needs help down the road.
I
To
know
me,
that.
this looks like a dog and pony show just for the press. It's upsetting.
I don't have it.
Yeah, the governor.
I have nothing to do with the form, but I'm telling you what SBA.
Okay, I know. It's not your fault. You got to understand, we lost everything. I mean, our lives are just destroyed, and we need fucking help. We need help out here.
I've been doing this for 5 years. It will get better. It will get better. It will get better. The southern, I just came from Mississippi. They get hit like this every
know.
year.
It's
Okay, and
nuts.
it does get better.
I know.
It's going to go fast, believe me. Once they get this 8821, you're going to get a call, and they're going to say, hey,
We
here's
need
my
help.
name. We're going down. We're going to look at
I
your
got a
damage.
3-year-old princess, a 7-year-old son, and everything. It's
FEMA should help you with rental assistance. Or
I
any
know,
type
that's
of
what I
money.
mean. Like, they're saying wait 10, 14 days. Like, they've had it for 5 days. You're telling me that they had it the first day. Nobody's called back. You're talking some form. I mean, give us a fucking call at least.
I know.
We call them in, we ask them, and everybody's just like, you gotta keep waiting, you gotta keep waiting. Everybody, I mean, it's just, I know, and it's not just me, and I know that other people have big problems too.
Yeah, I just came back from Bayonne. My mom's 88 years old. She's living in a house, no electricity, no food, no nothing. I had to go down there yesterday. I'm in Georgia. It's bad everywhere.
I know,
and,
I know,
You know,
I know.
We're doing our best.
There's so many
and
people that just need help, and
we
that's
are doing our best.
that's
We really
just what's
are.
upsetting me, because I haven't seen FEMA at all or heard from them, and all of a sudden the governor's
Have you
coming
gone
in.
to the Salvation Army at all?
No, we didn't even know that they were helping. We got redirected to the Red Cross. She filled out from the Red Cross. Nothing from them. I mean, it's just like the media is saying, oh, they're out there helping, and we're not getting help. We lost everything. See, these are my pants. I've been in these pants for 5 days. They're ripped. They're falling apart. I have kids that need food. And there's the governor. He'll be on TV talking about how FEMA's helping people. He'll be on TV talking about how FEMA's helping. Yeah, okay. Fucking bullshit.
Hi, Captain Garrett. What's your name?
Alexander Higgins.
Alexander, where are you from?
Yeah, I'll take another call.
I'll fix it. How do you want it?
You got a sandwich or anything?
Good afternoon, everybody. Good to be here for me, Lieutenant Governor, members of my staff. We spent some time this afternoon with Transportation Secretary Raylan Hood touring the damages here in the Barrier Island. I want to thank the Secretary for coming to New Jersey today and see the magnitude of the damage for our infrastructure, for himself.
Talk to the captain here.
A lot of money.
I don't know. I just want FEMA to come to my house and help me. It's destroyed.
No, I flew over this
They're
twice.
doing these dog and pony shows, and they're not helping. They just telling everybody to wait. Just telling them to wait. These guys haven't been here for 5 days now. They've had our application for 5 days now, and not a single call back from anyone. 3-year-old daughter, a 7-year-old son. My house is secure.
Where are you staying at?
I'm bunking on my mom's couch, and my wife is going back and forth to Voorhees all the way on the other side of the state, New Jersey. She's got the kids and the dog in a one-bedroom apartment with her brother. Everybody.
I've taken about a dozen calls today from people from our congregation and things like that are getting home and finding the same things. They went to Pennsylvania, now they're getting back and suddenly ripped. And they're not, nobody can tell them when they're going to get heat, when they're going to get gas. And obviously once they're able to start fixing things up, it's going to be a while before they're able to get even a construction team in because they're going to be overwhelmed.
I need to get my kids in a house. I need to get my kids in a house. If I'm got to get back to school, it's pissing me off because these fucking guys on TV every night saying, Neiman's giving out rental assistance, Neiman's helping people. They're not doing a fucking thing. They're putting on a press shop. That's all they're doing. They're not helping. There hasn't been FEMA here at all.
I've seen this work before, though. They will eventually get us in. I can tell you with certainty. Sometimes it takes a bit longer than we want it to. But how old are your kids? You said 3? Your daughter? And your 7-year-old son. Did you go to church earlier? Did you go to church anymore? Do you believe in God? I mean, I can't come and fix your house, but I'm a minister. Can I pray with you? Can I pray for you? Sure. Heavenly Father, in the middle of a storm like this, where everything that we're used to is gone, and the things that we've worked hard to provide for our families, the things that we've worked hard to do to keep our not only lives stable, but our families' lives stable. Heavenly Father, we watch and we see people saying, do this and do that. We feel like we're doing all that we can, and we don't feel like anyone else is completing their end. God, I just want to right now ask that even when the answers aren't coming, that Heavenly Father, you would give Alexander peace for not only him, but for his family, for his wife, and for his son, and for his daughter. Help him to know that in the middle of this, though he's lost so much, God, that you will give him what he needs, that he'd have the faith to trust